Every caterpillar has mostly fake legs. Look here. There are a bunch of fleshy stubs. If you look closely, at the end of each of these stubs, there's a circle of hooks. Caterpillars use those hooks to grip onto stems and twigs. But wait, there's something else towards the front of the caterpillar. These look very different. Notice how they're thin and segmented. They look a lot like legs from a beetle. The legs on a caterpillar's front are their true legs. And these are fake pseudo legs called prolegs.